Hi, I'm Ben Russell-Smith, founder and managing director of R Lights. That is our US branch of laser lamps here in the UK. Today I'm going to tell you about the linear series. Let's get into the detail. So why might someone choose a linear product over some of our other products? Well, size is absolutely important. People who choose linear are choosing it because it is just 40 millimeters in height, but with one of our most well respected and well liked beam patterns. So it's a really wide spread of light that people are getting from this. We're up to 64 degrees in width and 15 degrees up down. So the nice thing, if you're mounting this low to the vehicle, so perhaps it's on the front of the vehicle near the number plate, because it's quite a narrow beam pattern up down, it's not giving you too much brightness on the road in the first 10, 20 meters. It's projecting that light into the distance and it's giving you that really nice long distance performance. We've also got some high power elites in the bigger product. So the Linear 36, Linear 42 and Linear 48 Elite are incredibly high performance products. And actually in those products, we have more than 2 LEDs on average under each reflector. So some of the reflectors, we've got 3 LEDs. So in terms of lumen output, the linear product really do stomp out a whole lot of lumens. So from the Linear 6 Elite at 4,050 lumens right up to the Linear 48 Elite where we've got 34,800 lumens. And really there's everything there in between. Linear 18 Elite, 13,500 lumens. Linear 24 Elite, we're up at 18,000 lumens. So depending on what you need and how much brightness you're looking for on the road, linear really can give you everything that you need in terms of additional auxiliary performance. Okay, so the Linear 6 product. So why do we call it a Linear 6? Well, it's because it's just 6 reflectors wide, each reflector just under an inch on width, so 25 millimeters on width. Don't be fooled, Linear 6 doesn't mean it's 6 inches wide, it's more than that. And that is also true of our bigger products, Linear 42, for example. 42 is referring to the number of reflectors in the lamp. A popular place to mount the linear product is on our number plate mount, and it's designed really with linear in mind. Linear is a product that can fit protruding only 64 millimeters in front of the vehicle front, and the fixings are hidden behind the number plate. The lamp is coming with the side brackets. We've got anti-theft fasteners as well. There are other mounting options available. So apart from grille kits and roof bracket solutions, it's also worth noting that it is possible to get a sliding bracket which mounts to the rear wing of linear. You can slide the center mount to where you need it to be, tighten it up in that position, and then you can put your fixings exactly where it's needed. And the nice thing about linear, it's got an aerodynamic shape. And we did a lot of validation work during development to make sure of this, that actually you get no wind noise. So when you're mounting it above the windshield, below about 70 miles an hour or 120 kilometers an hour, really are not making a significant noise for the driver. On the Linear 12 Elite and as well on the Linear 18 Elite, it's possible to buy a backlight version. So that is giving you some specific points on the inside of the lamp which are glowing at night to give you this signature appearance of the linear. The LEDs we choose are 5,000 Kelvin, which means natural daylight. So that is the optimum for ensuring that we don't have fatigue on the driver's eyes. You know, if a customer's driving through the night, they want to make sure that their eyes are feeling as comfortable as possible. And as well, we choose a high color rendering index. So that's important because the CRI is the thing that gives you all of the different colors on the road that you can see. So a lamp with a high CRI is allowing you to see every color coming from the road. This is why linear is well used in the motorsport product area. And in fact, LMP1 and World Endurance Championship, so Le Mans, they are often using the Linear 6 Elite for the corner or apex lighting, and it's because of this very high quality light that they're getting from the lamp. So some of the additional specifications and features of this product are IP68. Of course, Linear is one of our products made here in the UK, backed up by our 5-year warranty. So I hope that's given you a good insight into the Linear product range. We'd love to hear from you if you've got questions about any of the products. Our US sales team is based out of Arizona, where we've got the stock and inventory. Those guys are going to be happy to help you with any questions you might have. But otherwise, I'll see you next time.